Oh yeah, oh yeah, so much better. So this is the Kenda K760 Trakmaster 2. I just bought this tire because it was recommended from one of the YouTube channel I actually watch. Compared to the original tire, you can see the tread is super firm. I would give a 9 out of 10 on the stiffness. Compared to the original one, that would be a 4. And the main reason why I switched the tire, it's because I always felt like I was going like losing my traction on the back. I don't know if it was because it was a bit too soft or something like that, but I'm gonna see if this one fit well. Plus it's a motocross grade tire, so it's gonna last way longer and should be performing better as well depending on the terrain. So I'm just gonna go and jump on it and go through my original track where I usually go and ride the Sur-Ron. So I'm gonna be able to see the difference. If you're wondering, the price of this bad boy is about $60 US, about 90 Canadian dollar. And the original tube fit in it, so you don't need to buy an extra tube, which is pretty nice. I'm probably gonna be putting one in the front as well, because I always feel like the front tire always skid a bit too much. It doesn't get enough grip, so I'm gonna be looking to replace this one as well. So I'm gonna go and put on my gear and go try that tire and give you a nice angle of the tread. You can see it's way more aggressive than the original one. Gotta wash out that mud. I'm gonna go and just roll in the streets to see the feel, if it vibrates a lot. Oh no, it feels nice. It feels really stiff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, definitely got more grab. Oh yeah, it doesn't even spin half a turn. Oh my god, it feels so much better. Okay, so first minute of riding, already I can feel way more stable, no more balancing from left to right. It grip automatically, no spinning. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely put that on the front. I'm gonna be going slow here because there's always people in the wood, and you see them at the last second. I can be flying through this part. But I can't have fun though. Such a nice little wood. I've been riding for only like 5 minutes and already I can tell you this is probably the best upgrade you can get straight out the way. Like, you know, you can buy it and just wait for your Sur-Ron to get by, and when you receive your Sur-Ron you just put them on straight away. It's a super nice one. So the next test is deep sand. This is probably the deepest I got around. Good acceleration, good braking. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's so much better. Oh yeah, it helps you to propel you forward, so your front tire doesn't grip that much. It really does a difference as well. As soon as I floor it, total control, shift the weight of the bike towards the back and it gripped. Oh yeah, and look at the tread I left behind. This is digging. Oh yeah. This is way better. It doesn't feel that lazy anymore. Oh yeah, so much better. Oh my god, this is so much fun. 100% guys, you need to buy this tire. So yeah, overall guy, this tire is pretty nice. Remember, Kenda K760 Trakmaster 2. It's a 7100. You can swap the tube, so quick fit. It's gonna last you twice as long as your original one, so it's a no-brainer. Yeah, so overall guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, I hope it answers some of your questions. If you still have some, just ask me in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoy your next ride in Sur-Ron. Peace out.